go.
Oh! Hello!
Alright, so as you can see, we've got a whole bunch of new scroll stoppers inside our template library, and you can go through and browse through these done for you templates and fully customize them, or you can go ahead and create one from scratch inside the editor as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go grab this one here and just use this template. Alright, so as you can see, we've got our template here, and what we can do is just double click on this over here and go into the actual template. And you have to see it's really easy. You can go through and quickly replace your background image by clicking on replace, and I'll just go grab this one here. I'll just make it, you know, nice big size like that. And we can also go through and customize everything. So you can go through and replace your profile picture. So I'm going to go grab a different logo over here and just bring this up like that. And you can go through obviously and change the text. Let's call this one coffee lovers, something like that. And you can go through and just reposition it. You can also adjust the likes, change the text. And what you could also do as well, if you see this scroll stopper on the top, just simply hide that so that you can see it while you're making your edits, and that will really help you to customize this as you like. And then once you've done that, just simply add it back and you'll have to preview it like so. Cool, so that's how you can customize that. You can also click on this hide marked tracks to see every layer over here. So let's say, for example, you want to remove that heart icon, just remove that one there and add this one back over like that. And yeah, you can just customize it as you like so, and create your templates really quickly. So that's using the done for you templates. Now if you want to go through and create one from scratch, what you could do is just create a new project and use Facebook and Instagram so that it's square. I might just go back to advanced settings and click on light to see it a bit better. And on the studio panel over here, if you click on scroll stoppers and click on the UI, and you'll be able to see we've got these done for you interfaces. Okay, so let's go through and maybe I'll grab this dark UI here and just drag and drop it onto the canvas over here. And what I want to do is then go through and grab an effect. So I'm just going to double click to go into this project here. And if I go over to scroll stoppers, go to effects, and you'll be able to see I've got a whole bunch over here. Maybe I'll go grab the chameleon. I'm just going to drag and drop this one like that. Maybe I'll add it to the top or bottom and resize it like so. Cool. And then what I'm going to do is just go over to my media. You can import your own media, of course, or use our media library here. So let's go and grab let's say forest, and maybe I'll grab something like that. Yeah, and play around with this or this one here. So once you've got your image, you can just simply click on replace media, this one here, and click on replace and just grab your image like that. That looks pretty cool. And again, you can go through and select the image if you want to change that profile picture or your business one. Maybe I'll grab this one here and change that to this logo here. Adjust your business like that. And yeah, just go ahead and fully customize it as you like. So you could also go through and if you wanted to remove one of these ones, just select that and hit delete. Just probably play this around, let's say. And yeah, you've got your scroll stopper done and ready to publish. So that's how to quickly and easily use the templates or go ahead and build your own ones in CreateStudio.
Hi, Arnie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this attention-grabbing video. Okay, so first of all, I want to mention that a couple of the assets used can be purchased for a few credits, or are included in your All Access Pass. So the first thing I did was grab a video from Pexels, so we're going to place that here, and make sure that it's expanded, and it's a little bit long, so let's reduce that down here, maybe to about 8 seconds. Okay, we're going to lock that in place for now. Then we're going to go into the studio to the scroll stoppers and go to UI, which is user interface. And I chose the standard headline right here. We're going to bring that in here. Okay, now that's a little bit large, so I'm going to just zoom in on that. Okay, and let's ungroup this and unlock that one. Good. Okay, let's grab that again. And I'm going to make that a bit smaller here to fit the middle. And let's fit to screen here so we can see everything at once. Great. Okay, one thing I always like to do beforehand also is to make sure that the snapping on the canvas is on. Again, we can highlight that and grab it, and let's center that right about there. Perfect. Now where it says replace media, I already downloaded also, just to show you here, a picture of a dolphin. So I'm going to do that. So we're going to take this, replace, and replace that with the dolphin. Now it's a little bit low, so I'm going to just bring that up. Now if you recall also, if you press the Shift key, you can slide along the vertical or along the horizontal without it moving up and down and in the other direction. Okay, so let's just bring that up let's say to about that. So it looks fairly centered. Good. Okay, the next step we're going to do is go back into Studio and to scroll stoppers. And let's look for a couple of effects here. So the one that I downloaded, there was two here. One is the fish. So let's grab that one. Okay. And let's see, that's just that size. So let's bring everything here down to match the fish here. I know we can do this all at once, but it's easy just to do it like that. That's fine. Okay, we'll unlock that one and again make these nice and even. Perfect. And lock that again. Okay, so we're going to take the fish now and reduce it in size to match the size of where the dolphin is. Okay, I'll bring that up something like that. Okay, maybe we'll squish that down a little bit, see how that looks. And we'll just bring that underneath the dolphin and the headline there, so we're going to bring this down to there. Okay, that's good. Now if you want to get this exact, you can really zoom in here and you can see, for example, where the dolphin is, which is right there. And we can just expand that out right to the edge. Same thing with the fish. We can expand that right out to the edge so it looks a little bit neater. Okay, you can do that on the other side as well. Control 0 will bring us back here. Great. So now when it's playing, that looks pretty good so far. Okay, so we're going to start off zoomed in on the dolphin and then bring the shark in. So let's just bring the shark in right now. Let's just do it right here. We're going to go again to the scroll stopper effects and bring that shark in. And he will come in like, there he is. Okay, it's centered nicely, so let's leave him there. And I'm just going to reduce, again, the size there. Okay, so now we just got to play around with the zoom effect. So we'll open up the camera, and we're going to start this off zoomed in right on the dolphin. So let's say right about there. Okay, then before the shark comes in, we're going to start zooming out. So we're going to grab the camera effect here and do an animation, and we will have the end result as large as the entire ad here, not the entire screen. So right about here. Okay, so all we'll see at the end is the dolphin in the headline, not above and below it. Okay, so if we just watch how that's going to come in, this will start expanding, and then the shark will come in from the side. Okay, so let's see how that looks. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that. Play around with it. There's lots of different effects you can do with this, and have fun.
Yeah, that is it for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!